Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Saqib Muhammad and I am IT professional with over 16 plus year of experience in infrastructure, cloud administrator, IT audit and information security. I have a multiple certifications including CISA, MCSA, MCSE, MCT, Azure Administrator Expert and Microsoft 365 Expert. I am so excited to introduce you to our course, Microsoft Azure Administrator. Whether you are new to the cloud or preparing for a AZ-104 exam, this course is designed to guide you through every step of the Azure ecosystem. In this course, we will learn Azure different modules which covers identity and governance, storage and compute, networking, monitoring and backup, where you will prepare for an exam or leveling up your career. This course is for Azure administrator who manage the cloud services that extend storage, networking, and compute cloud's capability with a deep understanding of each services across the full IT lifecycle. Prerequisites for this course are understanding on-premises virtualization technique, understanding network configurations, understanding Active Directory concept, and understanding resilience and disaster recovery, including backup and restoration operations. Get ready to level up, enroll now, and let's start building your future in Azure. I will see you in the first class. Thank you.